Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have been home for a couple of weeks to recover after our trip to Shetland and the northeast coast of Scotland. So in the last video we left you at Whaligoe Steps and
we're about 10 minutes away now again.
Yeah, we're like really close to there again. So this isn't the same trip. We have had a break, but we're back here again on the northeast coast of Scotland.
It's a lot nicer weather than last time we was up here as well.
Yeah,
so.
It is much nicer. It's really warm. So we've come for a walk along the coast and you never know, hopefully something pops up. It's lovely flat calm, so I really hope it does.
We said in the last video that we weren't going to give up on orca sightings this year.
Yeah.
And we were just looking through the records at home that we've got and we thought there's probably a decent chance that we might see them at this time, so
yeah,
we've took the risk. Originally we'd planned up to go to the west of Scotland to look for John Cone Aquarius, which we might still do.
Well, we probably will at some point, and up until like we reached the Scottish border,
yeah.
We didn't know where we were going to be going, so this is where we've ended up.
Yeah, we can't ask for better weather at the moment. I don't know if we'll be saying that over the next few days, but
make the most of it whilst it lasts. But this is the view at the moment. So let's see what happens over the next couple of weeks. We've got midges literally everywhere. They're crawling and biting my eyelids. You've got on the end of your nose. Ugh. We have no skin left. I'm itching already. Oh. Oh, this is so horrible. Gnats.
there's no midges last time we were here because it was thrashing down with rain. I think I'd rather the rain than this. We're getting bit to shit. Don't know if you can see any of these, but they're literally everywhere.
They're like a cloud round your head.
Ow!
That's so horrible. The smidge nets might be
Look at
coming
that.
out next. Ugh. Look at them all on there. This is horrendous.
That wasn't fun. Literally covered in them.
I don't want to open my mouth to smile because it'll go in my teeth.
In my eyes and everything. My eyeball, my arms. It's covered. I was going to go on a nice long walk, but that was just too much. So up we go.
So last time we were here, we saw two separate pods of orca, the 27th pod and the 12s, and we actually saw them off these cliffs right here. It was really cool. They were right below us. They hung around for a bit. The 27th hunted a porpoise, and it was the first time we saw the 12s, so yeah, it was really epic encounters, and then we followed them up the coast from this bit. Last time we came here, in the last video, we were down there. As you can see the steps in the distance, but we're at the viewpoint, so we're trying to see from a different point of view what it would be like and see if we spot anything. We've just seen Risso's dolphins on our first night. They went right below us. You can see the white body underwater. That was amazing. gone so close to land. Whoa! Wow! Had two really cool encounters with the 27s and the 12s at this point, so we've come for a walk to see from a different viewpoint of where they passed us by here.
Yeah, we're hoping we have the same luck again and we get some encounters, but yeah, it's just nice seeing it from different points of view. Last time we were, you can't see it here, but just around that corner, so come for a little walk a bit further up the coast just to see where they were really. If we'd have been up here we would have been a lot closer to them.
Scary. As you can see, we've been on quite a few walks today and we've ended up at Clifness Lighthouse. It's got a really good viewpoint, but we're going to continue our search and hopefully something shows up.